Hello students of standard 9. Now we will see coordinates of points on the axis. Now here you can see horizontal number line. It is x-axis. Then vertical number line, y-axis. Both are perpendicular to each other. Now this point O is the origin. Here point M is on x-axis, point N is on y-axis, and point P is in the first quadrant. Now you see here, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now we know first coordinate when we are writing it is x coordinate and second coordinate is y coordinate. In the first quadrant, if you take x-axis, here all positive numbers are here, and on y-axis all positive numbers. That's why both coordinates x and y are positive, so plus plus. Then in second quadrant, here you see x-axis all negative numbers. That's why x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant, x-axis here negative numbers, y-axis negative numbers. That's why x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is negative. In fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. So again I am explaining. In first quadrant, coordinates of any point are positive. In second quadrant, coordinates of point are negative, positive. Then in third quadrant, both coordinates are negative, and in fourth quadrant, first x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. Now we have to find coordinates of point P first. If you come on x axis, you will get 3. If you go on y axis, there is 4. So coordinates of point P are 3, 4. 3 is positive, 4 is positive. Both are positive. Then we have to find coordinates of point M. It is on x axis, so its x coordinate is 3, and to find y coordinate we have to go on here. Here is 0. So first I will explain coordinates of origin O. 0, 0, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 0. To find y coordinate of M, you go on y axis. Here is 0, that's why its y coordinate is 0. Then for N, now here to find x coordinate we have to come on x coordinate x axis. Here is 0, so its x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 4. In this way we can find coordinates of the points which are on x axis and y axis. When the point is on x axis, its y coordinate is 0, and when the point is on y axis, that time its x coordinate is 0. Now here the coordinates of point M on x axis are 3, 0, and the coordinates of point N on y axis are 0, 4. Remember here the y coordinate of every point on the x axis is 0. The x coordinate of every point on the y axis is 0. The coordinates of origin are 0, 0. Now example, in which quadrant or on which axis are the points given below. First point is A5, 7. Here both coordinates are positive, so it is in the first quadrant. Then B -6, 4. Its x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. That's why it is in second quadrant. Then C 4 -7. X coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative, so it is in fourth quadrant. Now D -8, -9. Both are negative. It is in third quadrant. So in this way you can write their quadrants. Now P -3, 0. -3 is here and 0 means this point is on x axis because y coordinate is 0. So right here on x axis because y coordinate is 0. Q08. Here x coordinate is 0, means this point is on y axis. E53, both positive, so first quadrant. Here x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive, so second quadrant. Then 2 minus 5, positive negative, it is in the fourth quadrant. 0 4, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 4, means it is on y axis. Minus 3 0, here y coordinate is 0, that's why it is on x axis. Then both negative, minus 2 minus 2.5, third quadrant. Both positive, first quadrant. Negative positive, here it is second quadrant. Then 0 minus 4, x coordinate 0, so on y axis. And last, positive negative means fourth quadrant. So in this way we can write where the points are. Write these examples in your notebook.